Hello everyone, this is Fai Muntasir. I am from WP Guidant. I have come up with another solution for you, which is how to add the cart condition on our specific guide with WP Guidant. So let's edit a specific guide on Guidant. Click on the manage filters. Well, there are obviously it has multiple cards, so click on cards. So tap to the manage cards. Well, this is our card page. So let's refresh the page. Let's get back to the manage filters, manage cards, and we have to set the card condition here. So click on the edit card. There are you have seen card label. There are options for card label, card description, card image, and condition behavior. So as a condition behavior, you can choose two of the conditions, such as which is or and. Any of the condition needs to, or if you choose or, that means this card will show if any of the condition just matched with the intent. But if you choose and condition behavior, it will needs to be matched with the all conditions. So it's very important. Choose it is your requirement, and go to the cart conditions. Well, currently we don't have any cart condition yet, so click on the new condition. Well, there are multiple options for attribute, such as you can choose any of the attribute based on your site, such as post category, post title. It is basically WordPress of options for WordPress posts, such as post type. You can create card based on each type of element of the post, and also it has options for product category, product tags, price, sales price, etc. So these are the options for attributes. So let's choose the post category, because we are creating our guide for a specific post category. So second option is matching type. So there are multiple options for matching types. So you can choose equal, not equal. So how it works, basically these are the relevant functionality of attribute. For example, if you choose equal, then I will show you the matching functionality of the matching type. So basically, if you choose there as a value, you have to choose the value. So the value is if you choose the form WordPress setting, if you choose WordPress setting, so it will choose the value from, it will show you the for all the setted post category. That means we have chosen the WordPress settings value. But if you choose the manual entry basically it's you can independently create your own value for your the card. But if you choose the from WordPress setting, it will show you all the relevant values of your post category. So you can choose the category. But now the thing is, here is the matching type option. So matching type option basically works for your post category. For example, you want to show the result only for the lifestyle category, so you have to choose the equal. That means if the intent match with only lifestyle value, category value, then it will show the only the lifestyle. But if you choose, on the other hand, if you choose the not equal, that means if the intent doesn't match with the lifestyle value category, then it will not show it will show the result. But if it matches, then it will not show. On the other hand, you have multiple types of category on your site. But then if you choose the contents category, the contents category means if the product or the post is on the lifestyle category, it will show the because it will show the result, because a specific product might have multiple added on multiple, a post might have added multiple categories. For example, let's go get back to our post section. Where is the post? This is all the post. Well, as you can see, if we edit this is the category, but all the post here, if you add the edit button, basically this post is, well, as you can see, it's added on the news, only news category, but you can add multiple category. You can add a post on multiple categories. So then if you choose the contents, means if it's on lifestyle category and also news category, but if it commonly add on the lifestyle category, then it will show the result. But if you specifically choose the equal, then it must be add only on the lifestyle category. This post must be added on only on the lifestyle category, otherwise it will not show on the result. So that is the difference between equal and not equal and contains value matching type. On the other hand, there are also options for like, not like. Like and not like is kind of similar like contains. If the intents match with the value, then it will show the result. And also there is also matching type options for greater than and less than, because basically this option is only available for the uh, this only applicable for the price range. So if you want to choose any lesser price or less than price, then it you can use them. Basically it's effective for the numeric attributes or numeric elements of your site. So by following this method, you can easily create a effective cart condition. So but you have to choose very carefully all these matching type and value selections. So if I rewind the process, the value selection should be, if you choose from WordPress setting, then it will show all the value from your WordPress setting. But if you choose the manual entry, then you can entry manually as far as your requirement. So this is the process of creating cart conditions. So let's click on the create option. Well, we have setted this post category on the lifestyle. So let's see how it's show. So click on the save changes. Now let's go to our live site, how it looks. So we have setted the condition for which card number 2. So let's choose the number 2 card. Well, as you can see, it shows the equal value of the lifestyle. So this is the point where you have to choose the matching type and proper value and attributes. Then it will show you the right result. So this is very easy. Just follow our process and get to know about it.